what's going on? Tsai here. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 different ways you can do to make money from your blog. So I remember it's like 10 years ago when I first blogged. I was blogging in a free platform. By then, I know nothing about internet marketing. So I just tried to monetize it. So I placed the Google Adsense ad on my blog. And after a few months, I log in, I found I make a few dollars, but it's only a few dollars no matter how much traffic I got. So I kind of like feel frustrated. I didn't think that blogging is something that you can do to build a serious business, right? And another thing happens like few months later, the platform was closed. They sent me announcements say, "Oh, we appreciate your help in the past few years, but we decided to close our business." So I lost my entire blog overnight. And so for a long time, I didn't think blogging is something that you can use to make money. But one day, and when I was doing marketing research, I found there's a supplement company and 80% of their traffic are from the really big blog they own. And my thinking was, wow, if blog doesn't work, why there's those big companies that are building blogs? So that's the time I'm starting to retry blogging. And after a few years, I make way more money than I used to be blogging. And all I did is I blog in my own site. So all the methods I'm going to share for you are not applicable for those free platforms. Maybe you are using Wix, maybe you are using Weebly, maybe you are using Medium. It's kind of hard for you to apply all of this method because there's some limitation, there's some restrictions for those platforms. So if you want to start your own branded blog, you can go to myfirst.blog.com and you can start your first WordPress blog for free, right? So let's talk about the 5 ways we can do to make money from blog. So first one is PPC. That's the first thing I talk about, like the Google AdSense thing, right? So how it works is that you place an ad on your content, and if someone click on the ad, you get paid for the click. So that's called PPC, pay per click. So Google will pay you based on how much click you got, but the number is really small. So you don't make lots of money by running PPC ad. But if you don't know how to monetize your blog, it's a great way for you to get started. Another one is affiliate marketing. So you can actually go to website like Clickbank or Jvzoo, and they will offer you something called affiliate program. So you can sign up as affiliate. So all you have to do is you want to write content, and under your content you can refer to those products, and they will give you a unique link. So if someone click on your link and buy the product, you will earn a commission from their purchase. So that's how affiliate marketing works. So if you do this right, you can make way more money than just running Google AdSense. Another one is you can sell blog posts. Maybe you spend some time blogging, but you don't know how to monetize that. You can just let others to post in your blog and you charge them for a fee, right? So you can go to Fiverr to post, say, hey, you can post in my blog and it will cost you $20, things like that. So that's another way if you don't know how to monetize your blog. And if you don't really know, you can sell your website. There's a website called Flippa. You can just list your website for sale. If you have great content, little people will want to purchase your website if it's for a great price, right? But of these ways, those are great way for you to make money. But the final way for me is the most powerful way. That is, you want to use your blog to building your following, right? You don't use blog to just try to make money in the short term. You want to build a long-term money. So what I'm doing is like, I will have a blog and we will have a topic for the blog. Maybe it's weight loss, right? So I know everyone who visit my blog is have interest in learning about weight lossing, right? So I will offer them a free report. So they have to enter their email address to get these free reports. So what I'm doing is I will send them a bunch of a daily email content and will introduce them. I will refer them to other resources they can use to help them lose weight. Then, if they click on the link and they purchase, I get affiliate marketing commission. And that's what I'm doing. So I combine the list building and affiliate marketing at the same time. Also, I can not only promote affiliate marketing product, I can also sell my own product and service if I have the list. So I can promote to the same group of people over and over if I'm building a following. So you say, oh, but I'm not interested in email marketing. You can do retargeting as well, which means if someone visit your blog, maybe your blog is about golf, right? You can just run ads about golf and to those people. And trust me, the price of those ads is so low. You can definitely just spend like $1 to $2 per day, and you can broadcast to all your visitors. So that's a great way for you to monetize your traffic as well. So let's recap. There are 5 ways you can do to monetize your blog. The first one is PPC, like Google Adsense, like Revcontent. Another one is affiliate marketing. And the third one is you can sell your blog post. Fourth one is you can sell the website and you can build your list as well. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.